Hello guys, want to speed up your website and boost security? Activating Cloudflare's CDN can help. In this video, I will show you step by step how to enable Cloudflare CDN and get your site running faster. So, go to cloudflare.com and sign up for a free account or log in if you already have one. After you log into your account, click on the Add a Site button to begin setting up CDN for your website. So click on the add icon at the top. Now you can choose anything like connect a domain, register a domain, or anything. Now, if you click on connect a domain, it will take you to this page. Here, you'll have to enter your domain name and click the continue button. Now, Cloudflare will scan your current DNS records automatically. So review the scanned records to ensure everything looks correct. Choose a plan that fits your needs, and the free plan is usually enough to get started with basic CDN and security features. Click continue to move forward. Now, Cloudflare will give you new name servers. Go to your domain registrar like GoDaddy or Namecheap and replace your current name servers with the ones provided by Cloudflare. It may take a few minutes to a few hours for the name servers changes to fully propagate. Once completed, your website will automatically start using Cloudflare's CDN. In your Cloudflare dashboard, ensure that the orange cloud icons are active for the main DNS records. This means Cloudflare's CDN and security features are turned on for those records. Visit your website and confirm it's loading properly. You can also use tools like GTmetrix or Google PageSpeed Insights to check the speed improvements after enabling the CDN. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.